Everyone, thanks for tuning into today's video. It really has been an exceptionally wet day across many parts of the British Isles today. We've had heavy rain, we've even had some snow and sleet across parts of the country as well, not to mention heavy showers and some rumbles of thunder and some hail as well. And in fact, across northern England, parts of Wales, we have had a covering of snow in some places today, and here in Northamptonshire, where I am, it's been the wettest April day, can you believe, since the 3rd of April 2000, so the wettest April day for 12 years, so it really has been quite a noteworthy spell of weather today. And that weather is now beginning to die out, but it's still raining across some central and southern parts of the country, and will continue to do so for the rest of this evening and into tonight as well. Anyway, I've got the 5-day forecast coming up today, and of course we've got the Easter weekend coming up, so I'll be doing a full forecast looking at the weather for the Easter weekend. But this is the situation right now. We've got high pressure out to the west of the British Isles, and we've got this weather system here across the southern parts, and this cold east to northeasterly wind, and that's what's been bringing us the snow across the higher ground of Wales and northern England. So as we go into this evening, we're going to find that rain gradually pushing southwards and turning lighter and patchy as it does so. Further north, Scotland and Northern Ireland's got a lot of dry weather ready this evening and overnight, and a few wintry showers in places, but I think we will find the skies clear across much of the north tonight with a widespread frost setting. It's going to be a cold night tonight with temperatures as low as -3, -4 in places. Further south, those temperatures probably hold up above freezing across England and Wales, because we'll keep more cloud going, and that rain will get lighter and patchier as it moves away to the south all of the time. Now, as we go on into Thursday, we're going to find that low pressure moving away to the south, and then we're looking at this ridge of high pressure toppling in from the north. So really for Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England tomorrow, it's going to be a mainly dry and fine day with a fair amount of sunny spells and just one or two showers. One or two of those could be wintry, perhaps around those northeastern coasts of Scotland, but the bulk of the country really in the north should be dry and fine with a few sunny spells tomorrow. Further south, we are going to keep a lot of cloud across many central, southern and southeastern parts of England. Still a few showers around in places as well, but those showers should be on the light side for many places, certainly nowhere near the heavy downpours that we've had today, and I think the bulk of the country really will stay dry tomorrow. Those showers should be quite light and insignificant. Temperatures will be up a bit tomorrow, but it couldn't get much colder really than it's been today, with temperatures today just 2, 3, 4 degrees across many parts of England. Tomorrow the temperatures will be up to around 9, 10, perhaps 11 degrees. 11 is 52 Fahrenheit. That's still a bit below average really for the start of April, but it should certainly feel a lot milder than it has done today in those sunny spells. Now, as we go into tomorrow night, I think we are looking at another very widespread frost across many parts of the country, with temperatures again down to around -4, -5 degrees. But up to the north, the temperatures will pick up later on tomorrow night as cloud begins to thicken up from the northwest. Now, as we go into a Good Friday, we're going to find the high pressure still out to the west, but winds are going more around towards west to northwest, so that should be a bit milder, but we will bring more weather fronts, weak weather fronts down from the northwest. So I think Good Friday is going to be quite a cloudy day across many parts of the country. A fairly widespread frost, but that should clear, and then there'll be some sunshine. But clouds will thicken up from the northwest, and we'll find outbreaks of light and patchy rain gradually moving down from the northwest, particularly affecting Scotland, Northern Ireland and northwestern parts of England, North Wales, but almost anywhere could get some showers on Good Friday. And it's going to be, as I say, quite a cloudy day really, just very limited sunshine after the early sunshine of the morning fades away and those clouds thicken up. Temperatures on Good Friday up to around 12 or 13 degrees, so the temperatures are lifting up gradually. 13 is 55 and is about average for the time of year. As we go into Saturday, we've still got these weak weather systems messing about across the country, so again I think Saturday's going to be quite a cloudy day for many parts. There will be some showers around as well in one or two places, but best of the sunshine on Saturday, probably close to this ridge of high pressure out to west. So I think Ireland, parts of western Scotland, Wales, southwest England could get the best of the sunshine on Saturday, but really it's quite a cloudy scene again with some showery rain around in places too. Temperatures lifting up a little bit more, so it's around 14 degrees, perhaps 14 is 57, and just a little bit above average. Now, as we go into Easter Sunday, we're going to find that low pressure to the north beginning to take control as the high pressure pulls out to the south. I think Easter Sunday might be the best day of the weekend, really, with morning ray of sunshine, some cloud and rain coming into the northwest of Scotland and down into Northern Ireland, but I think the rest of the country should generally have a few sunny spells on Sunday, probably morning ray of sunshine and less in the way of cloud. And there should be a mainly dry weather away from the northwest as well. So Easter Sunday probably the best of it for the Easter weekend. Temperatures up to around 13, 14, perhaps 15 degrees, so that's near normal. Now, as we go into Easter Monday, I've got concerns about Easter Monday because it does look as though low pressure is going to take over, and that's going to be bringing weather systems down across the country. Many parts probably getting off to a dry start on Easter Monday, but Scotland and Northern Ireland will cloud over quite quickly with outbreaks of rain moving in, and then that westerly wind will pick up and rain will spread across many parts of the country through the day. The far southeast probably hanging on to dry and bright weather for the bulk of the day, maybe well on into the afternoon before that rain arrives, but really I think we are looking at quite a wet day on Easter Monday, with that wind and rain gradually moving in from the Atlantic, and beyond that it does look as though low pressure really will be taking over for next week, giving us a lot of wind and rain, so that's going to continue, I think, to see relieving perhaps of the drought. But anyway, in summary, it does look as though we're going to be seeing the last of the rain, sleet and snow clearing away from the south across England and Wales through the course of tonight. Now, we have had significant snow, I should just mention this, we have had significant snow across some parts of northern England. That is dying away now. We should see the rain, sleet and snow easing off. And then I think the next 2 or 3 days probably seeing a fair amount of cloudy weather with a few showery bits of rain, particularly on Good Friday and again on Easter Saturday. Easter Sunday probably gives us the best of the weather, really. I think Easter Sunday could be a fairly decent day with a morning ray of sunshine, and most places hopefully have a dry day, but I will be keeping you updated on this over the next few days in any case. But Easter Monday, I'm afraid, at the moment looks like it's going to be turning increasingly wet and windy, so Easter Monday probably the worst day of the bank holiday. That's how it's looking at the moment, but I will, as I say, keep you updated because things can and often do change. That's it for now.